Here is how to add networks to MetaMask step by step. First, open your MetaMask extension or mobile app and unlock your wallet. At the top, tap the network selector. It usually says Ethereum mainnet by default. Then tap Add a custom network. You'll be asked to enter network details like network name, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, block explorer URL. You can find these details from trusted sources like chainlist.org or the official site of the network you want to add. As an alternative, you can visit chainlist.org, connect your MetaMask wallet, and click Add to MetaMask next to any supported network. After adding, MetaMask will automatically switch to that new network. And that's how to add custom networks to MetaMask. Simple, secure, and must for DeFi and NFTs beyond Ethereum. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.